Hello, welcome to the Creative Photo Academy at Paul's Photo. I'm Mark Crase and I'm one of the instructors here at the CPA. So what is composition? Well, at its most powerful, it is very powerful nonverbal communication. And why is it important? Well, if you think about how a writer uses words to create sentences, sentences to create paragraphs, and paragraphs to create chapters in a book, it's all intended to make the most significant, powerful, and creative statement that author can make. In photography, we have a different set of elements that we use to make our compositions. We start with a subject. We will then take that subject and place it in a frame, somewhere in a frame. We might then have to look within the frame and eliminate any distracting elements that might be detracting from the subject. It could be that telephone pole in the background. It could be the trash can over in the corner. So what we then do is we take and we can direct the viewer's eye within the frame and around the frame by using other elements such as lines, shapes, and patterns. We can even use color versus black and white to change the emotion of an image. In fact, in terms of the frame, we can either shift the orientation or we can change the shape of it altogether. All of this is intended to create interest in the image, to create a more powerful artistic statement on your behalf. And this is something that we can help you do here at the Creative Photo Academy. I'm Mark Crase, and I hope to see you soon in one of our composition classes. Thank you very much.